Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete a Telegram channel. So to this the Telegram channel, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do for you to be able to delete a Telegram channel is to open your Telegram app on your mobile, then click on it. Then you go down to a particular Telegram channel you want to delete. So I'm going to tap on this. This is a new Telegram channel. So for me to be able to delete this channel, I'm going to have to tap on the channel name, which is at the top, which is the channel name. Tap on it. Then this will take me down to the profile of the channel. So now, if I want to delete this channel, I just have to tap on the more. So this actually gave me an option in red just to leave this channel, but this channel will not be deleted. Other people that are in this channel will still have access to this channel. So if I want to delete it completely, I'm gonna have to tap on the edit button, which is at the top right of the screen. Tap on edit. Tap on edit. Then from there you have this option in red to delete the channel. So this will automatically delete every single member out of this channel, and all the message that have been saved in this channel or every activities in this channel will also be deleted. So to delete this channel, just tap on delete, and you can see, do you want to delete the channel, which is Neymar, and all of its message for all subscribers will be deleted. Everything will be deleted completely. So just tap on delete for all, then this will delete the channel totally. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to delete Telegram channel. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more.